Hi. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. It is afternoon here. Saturday. I think today is 11. Maybe 11 guys. I'm feeding the pig very late because we went this morning in Tarabon in town. We decided that to pick up some flowers to Marfi's father. He died, so we buy a bread for snack too. So we just stopped by there in the house of Marfi and Dan and give the stuff. Then we come back home quick because our animals are nobody's around here and they needs to be fed. So I'm here now, guys. They are clean. Look, okay, the floor is clean now. Lando clean every Saturday. Today is Saturday, so he's cleaning all the room here. Why we clean this one? Because if not, it smells bad, and we need the pig dung to for our compost. Para sa garden namin, guys. Yan, malinis na po. Doon din malinis yung floor. Ayaw ko lang pumunta doon. Halis na. Tingnan natin doon, guys. Punta tayo sa ilalim ng munting. Habot na ako dito, guys, kasi still have calf. Kasi malinis na. Wala nang dumi. Dito din walang dumi. Now, so, bigyan ko muna sila ng pagkain, guys, kasi nagugutom sila eh. Walang breakfast. So, this is their lunch and breakfast. Hoy, rooster, ang laki mo. So, hinto muna ako, guys. Ito yung pagkain nila, guys. Oh. Pine-prepare ko na. Yan. 3 container on that. Everyone, mama pig. So, I'll be back later, guys. Stay tuned. Don't go away. Nalulog lagi ba? Hindi basa ako pa dong. Hoy, butsukoy. Finish, guys, feeding them. Please, Laog. Thank you. Lando just arrived. Buying water. The weather today is humid. The sun is not really hot, but there is no air. No air, really. It might rain tonight. Hope so. Tapos na akong